you've got 5 years, 6 years, 10 years to go, angithi kulo nyaka ngizothatha ikone engaki ezo5 phela out of how many of your primary schools, out of 20 uye 1 ngiyabona ayi cha ke uma abashela kakhulu sebenehlula ke lapho sisubabaza uya nje ma grade namangaki not more than 5. Okay, unyaka olandelayo ayina bese ngibonile ngoba khona mabizana njalo kodwa mawusuthi ke asihlale umsebenzi banokubethanda uzosipha ini ama-ayini amaketela baya-bribe and you don't even declare gift register. Ngiyabona leyo nto and you don't even declare gift register ithi mase ku-300 you declare your Panasonic declare it. Yeah, ngena kwi-gift register. So ngiyanipha ngithi